Okay. Hanji, to the offline. Am I audible? Yes. Thank you. That is the spirit. Yes. Let us start with the work, students. Yesterday we started with water. है ना, जरा इंट्रोडक्शन सी दी हमने कि how there is scarcity of water, how much of the water is available to us, why it is so precious, and despite of having so much water present on the earth, why we are not able to come here, sit here, why we are not able to use all of the water. For that we did one small activity, एक bucket ली. Bete, this is chapter number 18 or 16? 16. I am right, Yashika Datta. You clear your concepts. This is chapter 16. Okay, students. Yesterday we did. Okay, if we take one bucket of water, it represents the amount of water present on earth. From that, we take out one mug and all. That was very good activity, which actually show the amount of water we are using. And let me tell you, we are using only 0.08% of water, which is almost negligible. Only this much of water we are able to use. Right? Now, before moving forward, one small topic we are left with, that is uses of water. We will not go into detail with this topic because we are doing it since so many classes. So, those who are present here, can you tell what are the uses of water? Hurriedly, we will go through this. Number one, first, that is, हम इसको अलग अलग points नहीं बनाएंगे थर्ड के बच्चों की तरह. Drinking, bathing, washing, cooking is daily routine uses. Right? Daily routine uses. Then, number two, yes, beta. For farming, that is irrigation is required. Right? Then, number three, that is under daily routine. और कोई point बताओ? ड्रिंकिंग, कुकिंग, क्लीनिंग, वॉशिंग, बाथिंग, ये सब डेली रूटीन में आ गया. इंडस्ट्रियल यूज, इंडस्ट्रियल यूज, राइट. देन नंबर 4, your water is required to carry out important life processes like excretion. अगर पानी नहीं पियोगे, बॉडी में पानी नहीं होगा, excretion will not be done. Yes, survival of aquatic animals, that is separate thing because वो रहते ही water में हैं, but still you can write the point. Another, transportation of minerals in plants. Transportation of minerals in plants. It is done by water only. Water में ही जाते हैं minerals. Yes, ma'am. ठीक है. और then very important point, germination. Germination of seed. It is done in the presence of water only. Right? If water is not there, germination will not be done. Seed will not germinate into a new plant. Is this clear to all? Then, bache, yesterday we started with forms of water. Shall I raise this? No. कुछ नहीं है, it is given in your book. Just the recapitulation of things. Why are you noting it down? Forms of water. इतने बड़े हो गए हो. There are 3 forms of water that we did. Solid, टेढ़ा टेढ़ा लिखा जा रहा है मेरे से आज. Solid, liquid and gas. Right? In solid, water form is ice or snow. Liquid form is water. And gas form is vapor or steam form. Right? Water exists in all these 3 states on the earth. Right? But all the 3 forms are interchangeable. On heating, you can convert this. On further heating processes, if I cool it?
Again ice. Condensation.
And if I cool it? Freezing. All these processes are interconvertible, right? So students, these three forms, they make up the water cycle on the earth. What is water cycle? What is water cycle? It is the continuous circulation of the water from lakes, rivers, ponds, even transpiration by plants also. Plants bhi transpire karte hain. What is transpiration? Can you tell? It is loss of water from the plants is known as transpiration. Exchange of gases kahan se aa gaya? Loss of water from the plants is known as transpiration, right? So what I was saying, that water cycle, continuous circulation of water from earth's surface and water bodies to the atmosphere, and coming back of the water on the earth's surface in the form of rain or snow. Got it? This is known as water cycle. So in previous class, in water cycle, we did various processes: evaporation, condensation, seepage की थी हमने, infiltration वगैरह. Okay. Okay students, now move to the next topic. Very important topic, जो actual हमारा इस chapter का motive है. Where do we get water from? This was just the introduction. Where do we get water from? हम पानी लेते कहां से हैं? Our topic is where do we get water from? This is my question. हमें पानी कहां से मिलता है? बच्चे, ज्यादातर टाउन्स में, सिटीज में वाटर सप्लाई सिस्टम है. What happen is water is obtained from lakes and rivers, fresh water, right? And then various processes are done: sedimentation, decantation, filtration, then other chlorination, purification, बहुत कुछ होता है. Then through pipelines, water is reached to our houses, right? So एक छोटे से आपकी बुक में एक्टिविटी दी हुई है 196 पेज पे, एक्टिविटी 16.3. उसमें जम्बल्ड फॉर्म में ना कुछ प्रोसेसेस के नेम दिए हुए हैं, ठीक है? तो कैन यू टेल ये कौन सी इनकी अनजम्बलिंग हम कर ले फटाफट. पेज नंबर 196. ग्राउंड वाटर है फर्स्ट, नंबर 2 है इवेपोरेशन, नंबर 3 है कंडेंसेशन, क्लाउड्स, ट्रांसपिरेशन, इनफिल्ट्रेशन, प्रेसिपिटेशन, राइट? क्लियर? सो ये एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी थी जस्ट फॉर वार्म अप. अब आ जाओ नेक्स्ट. I told you we get water as we are living in a developed town and city. We are getting the purified water through water pipes, जो कि हमारी म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन ने अरेंज करके रखा हुआ है हमारी सिविक बॉडीज में, राइट? एसएसटी में you might have done what are civic bodies, so you are much aware. ठीक है? Then बच्चे, there are certain places in our country where civic bodies are not active, right? So people, they get water from tube wells, right? Or they directly go to lakes to fetch water, right? They have to go to lakes, they have to be in a queue to get the water, right? For that, bache, the more responsibility of the household core is on women, is on ladies, right? So in that areas where The civic bodies are not active. Water pipes are not there. People have to go to far off places to fetch water. There, there the woman, she has to do extra work. It is a burden on her, as she has to complete other household chores, plus she has to go and fetch water, stand in a queue, and then again by holding large buckets she has to come back. Along with women, such work is done by children also sometimes, right? So when children are going, it takes lot of time. As a result, their education is also getting affected. So government is planning to do some reforms in it, right? So you are lucky people who are getting the water at your doorsteps in your houses. Okay. Now, bache, apart from lakes and rivers, another important source is groundwater. This is another important source from where do we get the water. What is groundwater? Water present under the ground. Okay. Water table. Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of water table? As you had done in 5th standard also, 6th standard also. Yes. The level of water under the ground. But let us be more precise. If you try to dig a soil near the water source, like near the lake or river, you will see there are some moisture in the, there is some moisture in the soil. If you dig it further, if you dig it little bit more, you will feel there is little bit of water, right? Means earlier the soil particles are moist, that shows the presence of water. Now when you dig up the soil, you see the water. This level where the water you see, it is the water table, right? This is the level of water, minimum level of water. Is that clear? Now, at this level, up to this level, wells are constructed. Is that clear? From there, the water is drawn. इसके नीचे पानी है. Now, students, the water below this water table is known as groundwater. समझ आ गई? मैंने यहाँ पे इतनी मिट्टी डिग कर ली. Now, here I see the water. Right? This is water table. And the water below it is known as clear. Is that clear? Am I clear with this? Now, students, after this, one more thing I want to tell you is this water table, it varies from place to place. Even not only place to place, even it varies at the same place also. Suppose few years back, the water table is high here near your area, but after 2 years, it becomes lower, down. The water table goes down. Why so? What is the reason behind this variation from place to place also and in particular place also? What's your name? Arish. Okay. Huh. Sit down. This is not the reason. Ishan.
Ma'am, when the water table is low, the usage of water in the मतलब area जहाँ पे हमने यूज किया है उसकी वजह से कम हो जाता है और दूसरे एरिया में इसलिए ज्यादा होता है क्योंकि वहाँ पर बारिश ज्यादा पड़ती है या फिर मौसम का
The water in different areas, the water table is lesser high. Because in different areas, the number of people they are more and less, and the usage is that is why more and less.
Sit down.
Then the amount of rainwater which seeps.
Chalo. Avni, different kinds of soil is not the big factor. ठीक है, it is also one of the factors but not the biggest factor. बच्चे, the reason behind is the groundwater. How it becomes the groundwater? ये पानी कहां से आया? This water is coming from the rainfall. Some of the water it seeps through the ground, right? When it seeps through the ground, it gets collected above the pieces of rocks. यहाँ पे जो लास्ट में जो लेयर होती है, you remember, non-porous rocks which do not allow water to pass. उसके ऊपर जितना पानी है, that is groundwater. ये पानी वहां पे collect हो जाता है, right? So बच्चे, what happen is, in some places there is more rainfall, in some places there is less rainfall, but the water table gets lowered if amount of water used is more and replenishment is less. replenishment का मीन मतलब होता है जितनी चीज यूज की गई उतनी ही वापस दोबारा भर दी गई. अगर मैंने एक बकेट से पानी लिया है तो उसी बकेट को मैं फिर से भर दूं, that the same amount of water is replenished. But if replenishment is less and usage is more, the water table will go down. Is that clear? Shabd, what are you looking outside? Is that clear to all? Am I clear? Those who are online? Is this point clear? Okay. So, this is the reason why the water table goes on decreasing. There are other reasons also. We will be discussing it in a bit. Before moving to that, let me tell you, there is definition known as infiltration. What is infiltration? Another term is aquifer. What is the meaning of this? It is given in your book. What is infiltration? It is the process of seeping of water into the ground. जिसको हम सीपेज कहते हैं, उस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? Got my point? What is infiltration? Speak out.
It is the process of seeping of water.
Okay. What is aquifer? At some places below the water table, there are some places of rocks. Some pieces of rocks below the water table. Above this non-porous layer, there are some pieces of rocks, right? So the water, it is collected here in between these rocks. It is known as aquifer. Got it? So what is aquifer? It is given in your book. At places, the groundwater is stored between the layers of hard rock below the water table. This is known as aquifer. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Smiksha? Okay, bete. Now, how to pump out this water? How to get this water? To get the water from here, we can use hand pumps, tube wells, right? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, students, कभी आपने कंस्ट्रक्शन होती देखी है किसी जगह पे? If you go to the construction site, they also use the groundwater because lot of water is required to do construction. From where they are getting the water? From under the ground. Clear? Now, beta, coming to next topic, very important topic, that is depletion of water table. Depletion of water table. What is the meaning of depletion? Depletion means kam hona, right? In your book, so many points are given, but they are scattered. Let us do it in the proper way. एक topic बना के करते हैं. Points are there. Explanation is also asked in exams. 5 mark question generally comes depletion of water table. ये पानी कम क्यों हो रहा है? Yes, number 1, increasing population. बच्चे, you have to explain these points also. I am just writing the headings. You have to explain also. Increasing population, then
Increasing industries.
increasing industry or
Agricultural activities.
agriculture activities or very right, scanty rainfall. तो पढ़ोगा खोल के बैठा हुआ? Which book is this? बंद कर दो. Books are not to be opened in the class, okay? You have to open it at your homes. Scanty rainfall. Scanty means less. Less rainfall. Next. Yes, day-to-day usage and wastage of water. इसके अलावा deforestation. Deforestation. एक पॉइंट और दिया हुआ है आपकी बुक ने. That is decrease in seepage. ये अवनी आपके वाला पॉइंट यहां पे आएगा. Decrease in seepage. Is that clear? Now let us explain all these points one by one. Okay? हाँ जी बट्टे. First of all, as I told you, water table क्यों deplete हो रहा है? There are so many reasons. First is increasing population. If the population is increasing, right, then what is going to happen is, number 1, with the increase in population, usage of water is increasing, right? Wastage is also increasing. Number 2, for more people, we need more roads, more houses, more schools, all these things, because more is there. So usage of water is increasing. When water usage is increased and it is not replenished, वो भर तो रहा नहीं, घर बनी जा रहे हैं, water नीचे से use हो ही जा रहा है, rain हो नहीं रही, ground water जा नहीं रहा, it is not getting replenished, so there is depletion, right? Number 2, increasing industry. It is related to increasing population only. अगर हमारे industries, अगर हमारी population increase हो गई है, if our population is increased, so accordingly more need of things is there. As a result, we plant more industries. Industrial setup is more, and every industry need water, right? For production of things, we need water. If water is required, industries are more, large number of water is used up. पहले उनकी कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए, फिर चीजें बनाने के लिए, फिर उनको अगर हमने डिस्पोज करना है उसके लिए भी वाटर चाहिए, right? So again there is depletion of water table. Clear? Number 3, agricultural activities. बच्चे, in earlier times our agriculture, it was more or less dependent on rainfall, but nowadays with advanced technologies we are using motor pumps and all. ठीक है, हमने ट्यूबवेल्स लगा लिए, हर खेत में ट्यूबवेल है, पंप लगा लिए, मोटर लगा लिए. तो what is happening? They are no more dependent on rainfall. जब पानी चाहिए नीचे से निकाल लिया. So as a result, more usage of water is there. Now they are not dependent on rainfall. Rainfall होए ना होए, हमने पंप से पानी लिया, निकाला और अपने खेतों को दे दिया. So again replenishment is not there. अगर suppose इस साल बारिश ही नहीं हुई, मैंने सारे खेतों में कनक लगा रखी है, राइस लगा रखी है, राइस needs lot of water. मैंने नीचे से पानी निकाला, ग्राउंड वाटर, खूब अच्छी राइस उगा दी मैंने. But what about next year? Because that groundwater is not replenished. So it results in depletion of water table. Quite done. Then scanty rainfall, that I told you. Rainfall, it is dependent on many factors. ठीक है, अगर रिवर सोर्सेस उनमें से इवेपोरेशन ही होएगी या ट्रांसपिरेशन ही होएगी, क्लाउड्स नहीं बनेंगे, रेनफॉल विल बी लेस. अदरवाइज भी रेनफॉल इट वेरीज फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस इन इंडिया. Right? At some places there is excess of rainfall causing floods. अगर floods आते हैं, जितनी सीपेज होनी है उतनी होनी है, बाकी तो वेस्ट ही जाता है in the sewerage and all. Right? And at some places there is very less rainfall. So what you will do? Scanty rainfall, it will result in depletion of water table. Then comes deforestation. It is also associated to increasing population. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. Okay. Prabal, you were saying something. There is a doubt. Yes, Prabal.
मैम मैंने कहना था कि जैसे वो अगर मैम फार्मर्स पंप से पानी निकाल के मैम फील्ड्स को देते हैं मैम, पर वो भी तो पानी नीचे जाएगा, ग्राउंड वाटर ही बनेगा फिर.
कौन सा पानी?
मैम जैसे उन्होंने फील्ड्स को अपनी पानी दे दिया मैम, वो वाला पानी भी तो.
But it is used up by the plant ना. It is used up by the plant. तो अब जो निकल गया पानी, then how it is getting replenished? Right? Okay, students. कहाँ थे हम? Deforestation. Deforestation is cutting down of trees. Trees cut हो गए. Trees are cut. Why trees are getting cut? Because population is increasing day by day. To make new houses, to do construction of road, to make industries, we are clearing the forest. When trees are cut down, there is no way that rainfall will be there. अगर रेनफॉल ही नहीं होगी तो ग्राउंड वाटर कैसे जाएगा? राइट. नेक्स्ट कम्स अट्रैक्ट रेनफॉल. ट्रांसपिरेशन नहीं होती. लॉस ऑफ वाटर क्या है? मोर ओवर जो ट्रीज हैं जब वो बाइंड करती हैं सॉइल पार्टिकल्स को, ये क्या हुआ? हाँ, जब वो बाइंड करती हैं सॉइल पार्टिकल्स को, सॉइल वहां पे रुकी हुई है तो सीपेज सॉइल में ही होनी है. राइट? इफ ट्रीज विल बी देयर ओनली देन द सीपेज विल बी देयर, अदरवाइज पानी तो सारा निकल जाएगा. इट विल गो इन द सीवरेज. ओके. देन कम्स डिक्रीज इन सीपेज. ये सीपेज में डिक्रीज क्यों हो रहा है? As I told you, अगर सॉइल ही नहीं है जहां पे प्लांट्स ग्रो कर रहे हैं, there is no seepage of water. Right? Just take the example. This is cemented floor. I throw 10 buckets on it. What will happen? Does this water go under the ground? No, because seepage is not there on such floor. आप अपने घर में इतना पानी बाथरूम में फेंकते हो, फ्लोर सफाई करते हो, आप कहाँ जाता है वो पानी? इन द सीवरेज ओनली. देयर इज नो सीपेज. ओनली द सॉइल वेयर ट्रीज आर ग्रोन, दे सीप द वाटर. Infiltration is done there only. Clear? So these are the reasons behind depletion of water table. Now anything you want to ask, because class is going to get over in 2-3 minutes. Hurry up if you want to say something. उसके बाद हमने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, जब भी आपका लेक्चर है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वाटर कर लेना है. देन आई होप इन नेक्स्ट वन लेक्चर वी विल बी एबल टू फिनिश दिस चैप्टर, एंड देन ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे वी विल बी मूविंग टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. राइट? एनी डाउट ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स? whatever is done in the class will be there. और वाटर साइकिल आप कब से करते आ रहे हो? Demand increases. हाँ जी, any doubts?